As we expose this side of the engine, I want to talk a little bit about what we have going on here. Again, we've identified where to change the oil and how to check for oil levels, but there's also a gas filter on this side for the carburetor. There are actually two gas filters on our machines in the setup that we have, one of them being right here, one of them being underneath the van that's involved with the fuel tap kit. There's a pump below the van pushing fuel up to and through this filter, but there's a filter on that line also. It's recommended that those filters be checked regularly but changed every 400 hours. Let's discuss the maintenance on the coupler for the BoxxerXL. The BoxxerXL comes with a 50 series coupler. To maintain it, we want you to look at it every 250 hours. To access the inside of the coupler, you remove the 3 Allen head screws that attach the housing cover. Slide the cover off to one side, which will expose the split rubber belt on the inside. Use and heat will cause that rubber to get stiff and brittle over time. So check the belt every 250 hours and replace it as needed or every 1,000 hours. One of the items that is very important to the maintenance of your machine, it really does play a big role in this, as do most of, if not everything on the machine, is the heat exchanger. The heat exchanger here is basically has air passing through it. But there are going to be times when you're doing jobs where carpet fibers or hair or foam, things that are going to get sucked through the blower and pushed into the heat exchanger. It is a series of aluminum fins, and they can get clogged up over time. It's a great idea. What we recommend here is to pull that heat exchanger every once a year, unless you suspect that there's something going on that's creating a problem with your heat source. Pull that out, soak it, get it cleaned up, and it's good to go again.